Hello everyone, today I will show you how to fix low call volume in iPhone 16 Pro Max. So before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. So if you want to fix low call volume in your mobile, then there are two options on your side of mobile: upper button and down button. The upper button is used to increase the volume during call and lower button is used to decrease the volume of your call. If it doesn't work, then go to settings and open sound and haptics. Here you can increase and decrease call volume. If it doesn't work, then go back and check your software updates. Open general and go to software update. If the latest version is not updated, then update it and go back and restart your mobile. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.